Hi guys, today again I'm just doing another tutorial using Chef's Envy. Thanks for watching my other tutorial that I used this Chef's Envy while I was cutting up a cucumber to make papaya salad. So the shredded cucumber. So today I'm going to be slicing up some cabbage for egg rolls. I'm going to be using this tool, Chef's Envy, instead of doing the old school way of using the knife and getting them super thin. And then from this, I'm going to use the slicer and the thin side. I don't like using this safety handle because whenever I use it, it slides out of the safety handle, and then I feel like I'm going to get cut. So, gotta sneeze. So I'm not gonna use it today, but you should use it because it's pretty sharp. Again, I don't know if I said already, I got this at 7 Mile Chef's Envy like a year ago for probably like 20 bucks from that Milwaukee 7 Mile flea market. And then I don't know if you want this information. I bought this with my own money. I just thought it was really cool. So then, it's really easy. It comes with a blade. You just pop it in, like that. And then I have the cabbage. And then, you just kind of put it on top. Well, I have some already. I'll just show you quick. So here it is, the shredded lettuce. I'll do that again. I think it was blurry. Here. Okay. Yeah, so here it is. Really nice, finely sliced cabbage that you can use for egg rolls, or even papaya, you know? So it's nice. See? Oops. See? It's pretty nice, right? Pretty nice. So again, that's Chef's Envy. There it is. Thanks for watching.